It's your boy back here again. Touchdown, 10 toes down. 4 to 6. Yeah, you know what we about. Little freestyle for those that know I rapped. Got little bars, but yeah, they're a little whack. I don't really care. Be some more creative shit. Excuse my language, bitch. I don't mean to uh, yeah, whatever. Yeah, got it again. We're 4 to 6. Forza 6, yo. Oh, I have a new car, yo, it's supercharged. For some reason, excuse the fingers in there. And for some reason, excuse me, that was gross. For some reason, this car seems faster than the Subaru I had. I think I still have it. I should still have it. I don't. That's weird. Yeah, somehow this right here is faster than the Subaru because I just pass people. Oh, playing a little bit. I got a little bit farther. Into it. About I'm not saying I like that, but that shit I used to watch that shit all the time, bro. So he got a little corny. Like he not even corny. He just now let me stop. Let me stop disrespecting the OG, man. He got like 20 million subscribers. Let's go watch this. And it's raining, so see, look, it lifts off. It just goes way better. Oh yeah, brake zone. Yeah, it's braking already. Shit, fuck that shit. I don't brake for nothing. I gotta be raining, bro. So I gotta be raining, bro. Let's go though. Damn, I should be just playing more in the rain, man. Like Tokyo, move. Yo, it's extra rainy out here, bro. Oh, it's a sharp turn, so I'm gonna have to back here. Damn, my bad, bro. My bad. You just gotta move a little bit more faster, man. Oh snap! Auto plane. Just auto. Whoa. Oh. I know you scared of crash and stuff. You can't go like a little bit faster. I'm trying to pass you, man. It's like. So what it does. Once you get in the hang of it, guys. Shit, I don't know how to play this shit. Excuse me, sir. Ooh. Second play. Damn. Let's go. Let's go straight away. Let's see how fast you can get it. Come on. What is it, Mazda? Get out that, man. Get it. Let's go. You see? Look. You see? I swear, bro. Yo. That was dope. That was dope. Alright, I'm gonna have to like slow down right now. Let it rain. Chill. Oh snap, bruh. That's wild, bruh. Yeah. Rewind. Guys, bruh. Alright, that's cool. And it's still raining. Rain. Oh well. Let it rain, but I know how to do this. Rewind. Let's go. Rewind and redo it. You know, sometimes in life you will have obstacles. Obstacles that are meant for you. Oh, rewind. Rewind. Oh, let's go. Yo. Who that? Get away. Go away. Oh, you saw that? Oh, snap. Try to show off and he hate this. Oh, I hate this thing. Oh, let's go get out of here. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, bro? Damn. Take over. What is this? An Alfa Romero? Alfa de Mero? Alfa de Mero? Break. Rewind. No. Why? I still want to do that, but smoother. Super smoother. Let's go. Stay back there. Stay back there. Oh shit, bro. I don't even know where I'm going, bro. So much rain out here and whatnot. What's up? Let's go. Can't see you, bro. Are we gonna have to like stop like right here? Rewind. Let's go, bro. This is it. It's the final countdown. In the rain, in the rain, where I be at. In the rain, you know where I be. Yo, and that's how you win a race. Yo, I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping. Oh. Let's get the e-tron. Okay, so it's like. Hey. Another car? Not exactly the one I wanted, but I want to get one of those Indy cars. Right. Word. That's cool. That's cool. I understand that. You have unlocked your first showcase event. Hey, do you like this livery? Okay. There are many kinds of showcase events, from autocross to passing challenges. So what I get? Into separate groups. You have earned access to the showcase group. Select it to learn more about these exciting events. The showcase group? Oh, is that one right there? Okay. Oh, you gotta install it. Wow. That's crazy. Can I just go back? No, I'm just gonna have to wait. So what that happens? See if I can go home. Dang. Go home. Microsoft Store. I want to play this game. The thing is, it's like, right, you gotta, right, what does that mean? Killed. Here you'll see pictures not installed on this Xbox. Okay. Can I just play the game? Manage game. Add to home. Okay. Okay, here we go. Boom. Legend of Sarah. Launch game. You need to install it for this. Make sure you're signed into Xbox Live and look for it in Microsoft. Okay. Install. Resuming download. Install that bitch, cuz. Resume that shit. Resume it. Let there be light. Oh, Gears of Wars. I don't know if you guys that's cool. Whoa. Hold up, go down, bro. Okay, launch game. Can you just search? There we go. Is it already? We are gonna start with Xbox Live. Can you just install the game? It's that easy. It's that easy. Wow. Well, guys. Hey, guys. Bible here. And what the hell? That's what I said. Whoa. ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué? ¿Qué quieres?
Es lo que compraste.
Sí, abuelita.
Y el televisor.
It's Sweden. Oh, that's a big dude right there. Okay, resume, yes. My man knows how to use guns, bro. Dang, that's a lot of money, bro. My man was like, and we downgraded, cuz? Go to official club. Launch game. They said, launch game, bro. Are you serious? Make sure you sign in to Xbox Live and look for it. That's great. That's amazing. I don't know what that means, bro. Where the deals at? If I can buy like one game that's like see, this supposedly came with their game. No. Tom Clancy's freaking game, dude. Dude. They got John Wick on there? Oh, movies. See all 99 plus. What is? Let's see. Give me a suggestion, guys. Like a good game that's not that overpriced. Yes, yes, yes. I know, being cheap. You see, you're a guy like me. Don't get paid good. You'll start to you know, start to find ways to get things at a cheaper price. Like this. Stranger Things 3D game. Probably not. Oh, do they have Grand Theft Auto on here? Do they have Grand Theft Auto? Because I would love Grand Theft Auto, yo. The Crew Watch Dogs. Actually, bro, I might just get that. I got a question. Well, I don't know who's gonna answer, but so say I download a game, right? Say I just download a game, right? Well, actually buy it. Is it gonna just be here? Or do I have to download it still? Because then I'm just gonna be pissed. Very, very pissed. Crimson Keep. Dead Alliance. Human Fall Flat. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I might get Watch Dogs. It's like $9.99. Watch Dogs. So really what I'm looking at right now. For Honor. I've seen gameplay on that and it looks cool. This looks really cool. What's this? Tom Clancy. What is this? What does this mean? What is this for? Just guns or something or what? Tom Clancy's gemstone bundle? What does it mean? Playing out your arsenal and save with the gemstone bundle. This bundle unlocks all the emerald combat. These skins can. Okay. Does this come with a game? Got that game? Oh, what was that one? Watch Dog. Far Cry, yo. To be honest, I should have already came with that, man. What's this? actually interested in this game. Expand Watch Dogs with the biggest edition ever. With the biggest edition ever. Aiding players with playing hacker, turn Chicago into the ultimate weapon. And the class score range in this complete edition, including the season pass, this new game mode, weapon, $9.99 plus tax. So what, like $10.50? I hope like $10.50. Yeah, I don't really know what to really do. I feel like I should just wait till all these games are downloaded and stuff, and then join Game Pass. I got gold. I literally got gold. Look. Gold. Play together with gold. Can I play this? See price. What price is this? What's the price to this? Free? This person channel requires a billing account. Please add a valid payment. It says you will be charged at this time, no refund. It says free though, bruh. Okay. What is it? What the hell? What is this? What is this? What is this? The internet, what the hell is this? Oh, that's what, okay, nah, I'm good, guys. I'm good, guys. You guys fucking trash, man. Can't play this game. I want to play it. See price. All I want to do is play it, my brother. That's it. Be able to hop on it and play this shit. And look. Now I can't even watch the dang thing, man. Can't even watch the darn thing, man. The darn thing. Let's just see what's up with all these games, bro. Not a big FIFA fan. Let me see. Friday the 13th, the game. Fortnite says free under there. So what's up with that? But I think it gotta be like Xbox Lives. There's multiplayer, so you need some free plus what? You own this game. I do? No way. Free multiplayer game where you and your friends can jump into battle royale for Fortnite creativity. Download now for free and jump into the action. So I just press download? I'm gonna just go back. There's other free games too. There's Grand Theft Auto. Why is it just loading like that? Is it meant for it to do that? I mean, I really care. I don't want to. Quadded. I don't understand these. Okay, so three games, right? Shit, two. Right, look right. So all storage. See. Wow. So all these have been acquired. Like, dang. So this literally. Alright, let's get back into the game, guys. Hopefully we're able to get into what. Yes, I bet. I apologize for that, guys. Whoever's watching us, because I realized nobody really watches my videos, but that's how we do it, man. You gotta start small. Even PewDiePie. Okay. For real? They do that for me? They do that? Another download. Great. Well, well, this is actually not taking that. Might take too long, bro. I said we're gonna go home real quick, right? And we're gonna go here. Microsoft Store. Go back. Okay, I wanna watch this. This is cool. Boom. Dang. So it's like, it's crazy. What is that? Golf? Mini golf. Play with friends today. Races. That's crazy. Like, oh, that's crazy. That's dope. I think that's pretty dope. Okay. Blair Witch. No, I'm not getting that. Well, actually, oh man, I'd love to get freaking Mortal Kombat, dude. So expensive though, man. It's just so expensive, man. Ooh. Okay, top free games. Okay, so Vigor. Fishing Planet. Okay, so these are all the top CO72. Alright, let's do some of these free games. That'd be dope, bro. Just get a whole bunch of free games. War Thunder. Warface. Oh, really? Hitman? Solder Pack? NBA 2K, the Pro Lube. Oh no. That's it. Darwin Project. Game preview. That's stupid. Fallout Shelter. Killer Instinct. Okay. Happy Wars. Ooh. Only Girl? Okay, my bad. Oh, Life is Strange. Dude. I saw I saw a gameplay of these things. Of this game, and it was alright. Wouldn't really waste too much time on that. Phantom Dust. Dude. Battle Islands. I want something like Fortnite, but not like Fortnite. Know what I mean? Something like Fortnite, but not like I don't know which. I mean, Crossout. What is Crossout? What's Crossout? It's like Mad Max type thing. Okay, let's see what's up. Walks in. Boom, turns it on. Damn. Oh, so we like build cars and then go driving? Shut the fuck up, wait. Dang, they shot up his car. He knows what he's doing. Dang. Ooh, he got a new motor, guys. Oh, snap. He's like, we're here, it's done. Guys, gotta put this on there and I'll be good. So it's like a log on type thing. Like it'll just automatically log on. Dang. It's about to trigger it out. Dang, he got the big cannon. Damn. Oh, so they're like a team. Cross out. Craft, ride, destroyed. Alright. So yes, like build a car. Go shoot motherfuckers up. Go shoot people. Try to kill them and stuff. And 3-on-3. 3-on-3 freestyle. It's basketball. Growtopia. Good. Alright, let's go back to the game, guys. Roblox. So I have like 6. I think it's really one at a time, for real, for real. Let's get back into this mode. What happened to this Forza news? Get 2 months for $2. Boom. Let's go. Let's go.
Your next race will be at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway.
Alright.
At the Brickyard.
That's cool. Oh, it's just like a circle though. Oh well. Easier for me to win. It's easier for me to win.
IndyCar, America's ultimate single-seater championship, in which cars must somehow remain grounded while doing 230 miles per hour on a banked oval. So aerodynamics is king, which is why these look unlike any other single-seaters in the world. In fact, every team must use a standard Dallara chassis, but can choose between a Chevrolet or Honda engine.
I bet. Let's just start. Yo, it's crazy. Oh snap. I got rear view mirrors too. Yo. Yo. That's cool though. What's this? I'm gonna catch up. They think it's sweet out here, bro. ahead, break, bro. Oh shit. Damn. Let's go. What's up? Nah, I don't need to go to the pit. I hate the pit, man. I hate it. Oh, I hate it. Move, bro. Why you breaking on me, cuz? They brake check me, yo. Move. 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 What's up? What's up, cuz? Dang. Let's go. Alright, we back. We back at it. Stop it. I'm technically last place, man. Gotta be first. Move, bruh. Move before I spin you out. Move, bruh. I'm so surprised these cars aren't like crashing into each other. Alright, let's go. What's up? Move, bruh. Yo, I just want to be in first place. So after that, yo, I feel like somebody on my ass, bruh. Ooh. Yo, that's garbage, bro. They purposely did that shit. I feel though, I'm still in my play, bro. Let's go, bro. I ain't break once in here. I ain't break once, bro. I don't need to break. My first place? That's what I'm saying, bro. I don't need a break, bro. What up, 7 laps? That's cool. I went on 7 laps. Oh, nah. So I just want to be messing around with the controls and stuff. Alright. Let's go. Boom. Let's get it. Who knows a little pump? Gucci gang. Spend 10 racks on my man. My boy love do cocaine. I fuck the bitch and forgot her name. Let's go Empire ball, man. Gucci gang. Ah, what are you? Let's go. Boom. No more crashing. Okay, no more crashing other than now. No more hitting nothing. Let's go. Straight. How fast am I going? Dang. I'm going pretty fast, yo. I'm going pretty fast. I'm going pretty fast, bro. 210, 12, 16, 19, 20. How fast can they really go? Let's go. What's up? Alright, we're going to set out right here. How fast can you go? 30, 31, 32. They're going pretty fast, bro. They're going like 250, I think. They might be. I'm just able to calculate this right. Hey. Yeah. You bitch just lost Sosa. Oh, and I know. Fucking with them old boys. You gon' get fucked over. Robberies and robbers. Excuse me that I heard.
Showcase race. You'll be invited to many more as you continue your career.
I bet. I crushed that. I crushed that. Oh my goodness. Is it still rolling? Rolling. Ooh, 41 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna just end it here, guys. Probably record another video. Yeah. Alright, deuces, bruh. Deuces, my hooches.